every corner. Doesn't matter where you go here, it's covered by blue.
We have a cannabis farm if you want to take picture, take video.
Good morning guys, and welcome to day 18 of our travel daily vlog. We're in Chefchaouen, the city which you definitely saw on internet, where everything covered by blue paint.
We woke up very early this morning to explore the city before heat and crowd.
But doesn't matter how early you wake up, the Chinese tourist will wake up way earlier than you. Hello. Maybe he will show us best photo spot. No, man, I don't think so. There is nothing blue. Why we came here, man? Come here. Come here. Hey. Hey, hey, hey. Come here. This guy following us since early morning. He just pretending he has his own business, but he's keep continue following. This one is the bluest street that I have seen here in Chefchaouen so far. Like, it's really deep blue. Now we're going back to our hotel because we have breakfast included, so we're gonna eat, and I think we're gonna take our backpacks and go to another city, because to be honest, the Chefchaouen is really cool place. You definitely should visit it, but there is not much to do here. After walking couple hours, you realize that you've seen almost everything. The door is awesome. Good morning. All our hotel in Morocco were with the breakfast, but this one is the nicest so far because it has even eggs, couple olives, a lot of bread, this kind of bread, orange juice, coffee, tea, and the Moroccan tea you should make only like this.
Just perfect.
And a few moments ago we saved this bee because she just fell off on the honey. Now she's cleaning up. Hopefully she will be fine. Actually, this is our last day in Morocco, so for today we want to visit another very famous city in this area, and instead of blue it's completely white city, and it's called Tetouan. And it was really good idea to wake up early and go into the city without the crowd, because right now it's hundreds of tourists everywhere.
We have a cannabis farm if you want to take picture, take video.
In Canada it's legal.
Yes.
So and we still not smoke.
What do you like it, sir?
Hmm?
Oh, if you like it something.
No.
Wine, beer.
No, thank you.
Okay, sir.
Have a good day.
No problem.
Like, I mean, why we should stay in Boston hotel if we will go to Boston in about 3 months?
Yeah. So we're in the bus station. We got tickets from Chefchaouen to Tetouan. It costs 25 dirham each, which is about $3.
And the distance between city is 60 kilometers, but the ride will take 1.5 hours because this city located in mountain area. But there is a lot of different time departure, so you can come anytime and you will find the bus. Guys, never purchase ticket from this company. After purchasing, we realized that there is a couple companies running from Chefchaouen to Tetouan and Tangier. And this company, first, they don't have AC, it's very hot. Second, the bus will very slow and stop in any single village. And the third, they try to scam you and ask him to pay for baggage even when we don't have it. We have backpacks and they tried to charge us. We didn't pay, but we argue a couple minutes for this. So it's like very bad company. The name is Nejmet Chamal or something like this. Try to find another one. We made it to Tetouan, and only one non-white building here is this Spanish Catholic church, which is called Iglesias de Nuestra Señora de las Victorias. And the rest buildings are completely white in entire Medina at least. We just been inside. Inside it's look pretty simple, but we're not allowed to make a videos or photo, and we respect these rules. So if you want to visit it, come and see by yourself. The white buildings looks great, but to be honest, they're not so unique as the blue one, because for example, we've been in very similar city in Turkey. It's called Bodrum, and all buildings white there as well. And I know in Greece, in some islands, there is a lot of white cities as well. We've never been there yet, but I think someday we will visit them as well. And this place called Fedah Park, and this is the most tourist attraction because from here you can see all these white mountains with the buildings. It's pretty cool view. I don't know what it say here. If someone speak Arabic, they can translate in the comments. Even though Tetouan itself doesn't have exit to the sea, it's about 10 kilometers to the coast from the edge of the city. Especially for me, it still have this kind of coastal vibe. When you like arrive to the city and you can say, okay, the sea is somewhere close. And this is the another main square. It's called Michuras Square. It has couple huge fountain, probably. I'm not sure exactly, but it seems they're not working right now. Some twin buildings here. The Moroccan flag in the frame, which is very cool. And this building, let's see how it calls. That's actually Royal Palace. And as I can see, you can't enter inside. There is a lot of guardian and the police. So you can see it only before this fence. Okay guys, we just had a good lunch and right now we are going to the bus station again. And we will have bus to Tangier, from where tomorrow morning, like really early morning, we will have flight to France, Paris.
We got another bus from Tetouan to Tangier. This bus operated by company CTM, and it's huge difference. Bus is new and also AC works, which is great.
Yeah, the price difference not that huge. We paid 35 dirham, which is about like a bit over than $4. And the distance from Chefchaouen to Tetouan and from Tetouan to Tangier is almost the same. So you will pay like $1 over $4 instead of $3, but you'll get a lot of more comfort. We made it to Tangier. It's time after sunset already, so it's finally chill, no heat anymore, and that's pretty cool because today it was very hot day. From this square, Tangier Medina start over there, and it's very crowded and busy place. Some central mosque, I see the big clock over there, and the first time when I see the movie theater in Morocco. Maybe it's just because it's very close to Europe. The Spain begin just over the sea, very close. I don't know how many kilometers, but very close. Guys, day 18 is over. It's third city for us today. Morning we start from Chefchaouen. At noon we go to Tetouan. And right now in the evening we arrive to Tangier. This is our last city in Morocco. And tomorrow early morning, about 5 a.m., we will go to Paris. So see you there. Bye.
Bye.